Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So as we all know, MWC 2022 is taking place and every smartphone manufacturer is showcasing their unique gadgets, prototypes and concept designs that they will employ in future. TCL, a tech company, has unveiled its foldable smartphone idea. It has a 8 inches display and a 360-degree rotating hinge. Yes, you heard it correctly, it is a 360-degree foldable phone. Along with a slew of new phones and tablets, the business also unveiled a prototype phone, debuted Ultra Flex, that features a 360-degree rotating hinge and flexible display that bends with it. That means it can fold in on itself as well as outwards towards the outside world. This is a technically difficult prospect since the screen must stretch significantly more than screens that just bend one way. The strip directly above the hinge in particular would most likely be stretched. TCL's vision of a smartphone with two waves to extend its display is represented by fold and roll. It can fold like the current crop of foldable phones, but the left side of the display panel can also roll out horizontally to increase the amount of the space available. On the TCL Ultra Flex, the display is actually fairly huge. In actuality, the PLP AMOLED screen is 8 inches wide and boasts a resolution of 2480 by 1860 pixels. There is obviously a lot of potential for a pretty sleek smartphone if this concept ever became a full-fledged market product. The multi-flexible features, for example, increases usability. Individuals and developers with a creative mindset may be able to find a variety of uses for it. When paired with a suitable stylus, the huge screen and foldability make for an excellent note-taking gadget. That is another feature that we hope TCL would seriously consider adding to the production schedule. While the TCL Ultra Flex appears to be a fantastic gadget for the smartphone enthusiast, it's crucial to remember that it's only a concept at the end of the day. All that glitter is not gold, and idea gadgets, particularly this one, require a great deal of work. But the company has promised that it plans to launch a foldable phone that costs hundreds less than the competition. Though that has yet to happen, we did see a cancelled product last year codenamed Chicago. It was very similar to Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 3. So what do you think about this future folding phone? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.